Sebenarnya show ni untuk kami satu impian lah. It was our dream. Okay, when we started the band somewhere in 1998, 99, right? After the release of the first EP, we really wanted to come to Sarawak to perform. Cuma tak ada rezeki sampailah setahun ni. Bila kami dah jadi orang tua, dah jadi tua kutu, baru dapat perform dekat Sarawak. So what you're seeing now is orang tua-tua yang atas stage yang try to compete with the younger generation yang sangat-sangat hebat. Most of the band today perform very, very awesomely. Okay, outstanding performance. Tapi sebelum kami mula, okay, aku nak minta maaf sebab kondisi kesihatan aku tak berapa baik. Jadi aku ada kerusi kat depan ni. So if I had to sit and rest, it's because my leg is giving way. Okay, itu dia sebabnya. Alright. Mungkin ramai yang pernah dengar tentang Riot dari dulu, okay? But to tell you the truth, inilah barisan baru Riot. Actually, the only two remaining members is me and Azim. Where Azim used to play the drums. Okay, now we have Paris, the chef, on drums. Okay. We have Errol on the lead guitar and Pat on bass. So what you are, I say what you're listening to lah, what you're watching today is the new Riot with a new direction, and I hope we can actually, you know, entertain you as much as you can. Just think of us as orang tua yang tak sedar diri, ya. Masih umur dah 50 yang masih nak metal lagi, ya. Okay, terimalah lagu intro kami. Okay, this song is called Wayfarer's Tale.